Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something that could transform your daily routine and help you feel more energized to make the most of your day. If you've ever felt tired, unmotivated, or low on energy to tackle your daily tasks, this video is for you. We'll explore the incredible benefits of Moringa, a powerful plant that's gaining recognition as a natural secret to boosting energy and fighting fatigue. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is native to tropical and subtropical regions and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its leaves are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron, as well as powerful antioxidants. This unique combination makes it a perfect ally for anyone looking to improve their health and boost energy naturally. But what exactly makes Moringa so special? First, it's rich in compounds that help reduce oxidative stress in the body, one of the main culprits behind chronic fatigue. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties and high concentration of nutrients support cellular function, promoting vitality and stamina. Another key point is that Moringa contains essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins responsible for keeping our bodies energized. This means that by incorporating Moringa into your routine regularly, you may notice a significant improvement in your energy levels, especially during those afternoons when fatigue tends to take over. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but how can I include Moringa in my daily routine easily? Well, here's the good news. There's a simple and effective solution for that. Recently, I started using a supplement called Moringa Magic, which delivers all the amazing benefits of this powerful plant in convenient, high-quality capsules. What caught my attention about Moringa Magic was its practicality. You don't need to worry about preparing recipes or finding fresh leaves. Just take one capsule a day to get a concentrated dose of nutrients. Plus, it's made with 100% natural ingredients, free from additives or preservatives, ensuring a safe and reliable experience. Since I started using Moringa Magic, I've noticed a real difference in my daily energy levels. Before, I used to experience that typical post-lunch fatigue that would ruin my productivity. Now, I'm able to stay focused and energized until the end of the day. And the best part? It's a clean, natural, and long-lasting energy, not the artificial energy spike that some energy drinks can cause. If you're considering trying Moringa, whether through supplements or other forms, here are a few tips to maximize its benefits. Take it in the morning or before activities that require extra energy. Pair it with a balanced diet and adequate hydration. Maintain a healthy sleep routine, as Moringa complements but doesn't replace good habits. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and fight fatigue, it's worth learning more about Moringa. And of course, if you're interested in an easy and effective way to include it in your routine, I highly recommend checking out Moringa Magic. I've left the link in the video description for you to learn more. I hope you found this content helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs more energy, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on health and wellness. See you in the next video.